Hi everyone, my name is Alina Reis. Today in the video we're going to cover more than 20 words which you will be surprised to know that you've been mispronouncing all this while. These are all very common words we've been using in our daily lives, and let's get started with the word number one. Asthma. Asthma is supposed to be pronounced as asthma. Asthma. Th is not supposed to be pronounced. And yeah, I'm talking about the Indian pronunciation here, by the way. Kotua. I don't know how you pronounce this word, but I'm pretty sure that you're confused about the pronunciation of this word. It's supposed to be either Kochua or Kotua would also work. And they have this slight French weird accent to it, which I don't think I'll be able to make on my own. So you get the point, right? Debris. No, it's supposed to be debris, debris. Now, I've seen this one hundreds of times and it is wrong. It's not supposed to be depth. No, no burr sound, no depth. It is supposed to be det. B is silent. No matter what pronunciation you pick, it is supposed to be this way. Det. Meme. Okay. Why did I include this word on the list? But yeah, it's supposed to be meme. We all play with memes these days, so it's a very common one. It's supposed to be meme. Next is almond. Almond. I've seen people pronouncing it as, I've heard people pronouncing it as almond. No, it's not supposed to be almond or almond. It's supposed to be almond. Now this one I'm not sure if you've heard before or not, but it's not supposed to be dengue. It's supposed to be dengue. Whether you pick Indian, you pick British, or you pick American, all of these pronunciations are going to tell you the same. It's supposed to be dengue. Uber. No, no Uber. It's supposed to be Uber. So either you say it as Uber or you say it as Uber. So whether you pronounce the R or not, both are okay. But it's not supposed to be Uber. It's supposed to be Uber or Uber. Now the next one is a confusing word. Sometimes occasionally people pronounce it with L, and most of the times they don't. I'll tell you what my research says. It's supposed to be salmon. L is supposed to be silent here, salmon. But yeah, if you pronounce it with an L, that would also work because it is acceptable, more or less. Next word on the list is boutique. Boutique. I am curious to know how you would mispronounce this one. Boutique. Mustache or mustache, both are going to work. It's a very confusing spelling, so I'm sure must have given you some hard time to understand how to pronounce this one. So it is mustache, mustache, but okay. Now this one is rendezvous. So either rendezvous or rendezvous would also work, but rendezvous would not work, no. Okay, so rendezvous is the right way to say this word. Renaissance. Renaissance, I'm sure you've heard about it in your history books and you've seen this word written on hotel buildings because there is a chain by this name. It's supposed to be Renaissance, or you can also call it as Renaissance. Renaissance would also work, but Renaissance sounds more nice to me. Renaissance, yeah. Tier. Tier. No tire, it's supposed to be tier. Tire is T-I-R-E. This is T-I-E-R. Tier, tier. No matter what pronunciation you pick, they are all going to tell you the same. It's supposed to be tier. Poem, poem. Okay, no poem, no poem, poem, poem. I'll say that again. Come close to the mic and say poem. Poem. Now, Indians pronounce it as envelope, but if you look at the spelling closely, it is more supposed to be envelope. If you look at the spelling. Yeah, so British and American pronunciations are going to say this word as envelope. Okay, envelope. But envelope would also work because Indian pronunciation allows that. So yeah, envelope or envelope both work. Relative. No, no relative. Relative is wrong. It's supposed to be relative. Relative. Okay, please correct this one. This is a very basic word you should not mispronounce. Relative. This one is aisle. Aisle. No S. Okay? Silent S. Push the S out. It's supposed to be aisle. I don't know why they have so many silent letters in a word. That's something that I still need to figure out. But again, this one is either castle or castle would also work. Castle. Castle is a more favorable one to use. No onion. It's supposed to be onion. Very commonly mispronounced word in India. Onion, no onion. Okay, onion. Say that after me. Onion. Usher. Usher. And again, I'm curious to know how you'd mispronounce this one. It's supposed to be usher. Towel, no towel. It's supposed to be tall, tall. Okay, tall. Towel, no, won't work. Data, no, not data. It's supposed to be data, data. And by the way, data is the plural, datum is the singular. Just some extra knowledge for you. Pioneer, no, no pioneer. It's supposed to be pioneer, pioneer. Okay? Don't stress too much on letter O. Chauffeur, chauffeur. Okay? Chauffeur. You don't have to give the sound of R in the end. Just remember that. Chauffeur. So that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video today and you liked something in it. If you liked it and you learned something new, share it with others also. And we are going to see each other soon again. Click subscribe if you want to stay in touch, because I don't know how else we can do that and ensure that. See you soon again. Bye.